Welcome back to Car TV, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. If you love horsepower, muscle, and modern tech blended with classic attitude, you're in for a treat today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Now, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about something that's causing a lot of buzz in the automotive world, the 2025 Shelby Pickup. That's right, Shelby, the name that's synonymous with performance Mustangs and high-powered machines, is back at it again, but this time with a truck that's as bold as it is fast. The 2025 Shelby Pickup isn't your average workhorse. This is a high-performance street truck with muscle car DNA running through its veins. Based on the latest Ford F-150 platform, Shelby has taken America's favorite truck and transformed it into a beast that demands attention whether it's parked or roaring down the highway. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800 horsepower in a pickup. That kind of power means this isn't just for hauling lumber or towing boats. It's built for those who want to dominate both the street and the strip while still enjoying the practicality of a full-size truck. Performance upgrades aren't limited to the engine bay either. Shelby equips this pickup with a high-performance suspension system, lowering the ride height and stiffening the setup for improved handling. The result is a truck that corners better than most sports cars while still maintaining its everyday usability. Massive Brembo brakes provide the stopping power needed to tame those 800 horses, while performance tires wrapped around 22-inch Shelby alloy wheels complete the aggressive stance. Visually, the 2025 Shelby Pickup is just as impressive. The exterior boasts a custom Shelby grille, functional hood vents, unique front and rear bumpers, and bold racing stripes running the length of the truck. Exclusive Shelby badging lets everyone know this isn't your typical pickup. Inside, you'll find premium leather upholstery, custom Shelby embroidery, carbon fiber accents, and a serialized dash plaque that marks each truck's build number, adding to its exclusivity. Tech-wise, it carries all the modern amenities you'd expect from a high-end pickup. A large infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium audio system, advanced driver assistance features, and a customizable digital instrument cluster ensure that while the Shelby Pickup may be old school in spirit, it's thoroughly modern in execution. Shelby American plans to produce a limited number of these trucks, making it an instant collector's item. Pricing starts at a premium, reflecting the exclusivity and craftsmanship that goes into each build. For enthusiasts who crave power, presence, and practicality in one package, the 2025 Shelby Pickup delivers in every way imaginable. That's it for today's video on Car TV. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Shelby Pickup, make sure to give us a thumbs up, drop a comment telling us what you think of this performance beast, and subscribe for more automotive content coming your way. Until next time, keep your engines revving and stay safe on the roads.